Hi everyone, we're now looking at using the height of collimation method of recording levels in our booking sheet. It's the same process as our rise and fall sheets. Our first reading is the back sight, the last reading is the foresight, and all the readings in between are intermediate sights. Okay, so we have our readings here. We have a benchmark here of 100. Now it's just filling out the sheet. So we've got A, which is our first reading there. It's our benchmark of 100. Then we'll just fill those in, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Our first reading, which is our backside, is 1260. Then we can fill in the rest, which are our intermediate sights and our foresights. They correspond with the letters here. What we do then, we can total up our back sights and our foresights. Now, that's exactly the same as what we do in rise and fall method, except here we have a height of collimation column and we have a reduced level column. So what we do, we add, we've selected this randomly, it's just an easy figure to work from 100. So we add our 1.260 to our 100, gives us 101.260, and then our next reading is we will have 101.26 minus 1170, and what that will give us when we do that calc, it'll be 100.090. So when we take 1.17 from 101.26, we get 100.090, and we do that on each of the levels. So we've got 101.26 minus 980, so that gives us an RL of 100.28. Okay, we then do 101.26 minus 101.090, and it gives us an RL of 100.170, and we just continue down the column doing that. Okay, so each one of those calcs, we just go back to this height of collimation, which how we got that, we had our benchmark and we added on our backside. Okay, so then we have our total. So we have two checks. We have 3 checks in our booking sheets, but we have 2 checks with this method. Check 1 is the total backsights minus the total foresights. Gives us a total of 480 mil. Then we have a second check, which is our first RL minus our last RL, and that gives us 480. So if those two figures are the same, you've done it correctly, you haven't made any errors. If they're not the same, you've got to go back through your booking sheet, your figures, and just check, because they have to be the same. Alright, good luck with that.